smoke right now. If you can bank a little bit more.
Okay, copy. Opening loiter 500 meters.
I can see the fire now. Sending target coordinates via beXStream.
Não, foram 2 segundos.
O outro?
We're here in Póvoa de Lanhoso to help the Portuguese authorities so they can have a different point of view on fire progression. This will be an exercise with a controlled fire where we can better relay information on the people on the ground so they can move to specific points, safer points, and be more effective on fighting the fire.
À volta da parcela. Qual é que é a nossa ideia? É pegar precisamente naquele ponto mais alto.
Ground crew, safety switch off. Step aside. Prepare for takeoff. Arming the drone. The drone is armed.
Camera recording.
Okay, full throttle. Climbing. Okay, reach 50 meters.
Transition successful. I only see smoke right now. If you can go a bit higher.
Okay, copy. Climbing to 200 meters.
I can see the fire now. Sending target coordinates via beXStream. We are using our VT516, our VTOL drone, with a payload with AI capabilities. It can detect fire and smoke. It can do trackings of vehicles, persons, points of interest, and also geolocate those points. That information is vital to people who are coordinating assets on the ground, so they can better decide on where to move, where to send the vehicles and the firefighters.
É isso. Pronto, olha, é na zona onde o João Marcos.
Ground crew, prepare for landing.
Okay, copy. Runway is clear. We gathered valuable data and experience so we can improve our software so the proper entities using it will make correct decisions with all the information they need.
Descending. Touchdown, disarm the motors. Press safety switch on.